Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Golden Beach local and long-distance movers near me. Moving out of Golden Beach is overwhelming, and you have additional responsibilities of ensuring the safe conveyance of your belongings to the new place. Over this, you do not want things to get delayed. Thus, you need to hire professional movers and packers to handle your belongings. In Golden Beach, we, 3 men and a truck, have been serving for 2 decades. Our skilled professionals are ready to pack your belongings, disassemble all the items that need to be, and pack them properly. In addition, it is up to you to decide if you want 1 or 2 trucks to move your belongings to the new place. People would think that trying a DIY for making a local move is the best way. We suggest it is a good way only if you have a little material to pack. However, if you have a complete house to move to, you will need professional services. Local moving includes moving the furniture, other belongings, to a new place within 100 miles of distance. One major benefit of hiring professional services for your local moving is moving in a single day. With 3 men and a truck, you will find the belongings at the scheduled time. So wait no more and contact our experts for planning your local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Golden Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.